Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix NewsBreak app not working. So let's get started. So here you have to follow the simple steps. So here I will directly search for the NewsBreak app. So here you have to open it first. Then here, if it shows the error, if it's not open, then you have to press on it here. Then to click on this I button, it will open the app info of the app. So at here you have to scroll down at the last, just click on the storage, just click on clear data, just delete it and then open it again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to check for an update. Just go to the Google search bar and here you have to search for the News Break app. So from here you can download the latest version and you can use it. So by this way you can just fix it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.